Now we will learn tips to be a good leader. 1. Never forget to give a feedback. Appreciating good work and, in fact, what changes are necessary in work. If someone tells it in time, who will not like it? This will change the way of working. As a result, the work will be completed in time and you will get the results as you wanted. Let's look at an example of how this is possible. The company Sneha works in has to talk to customers over the phone. But Sneha does not talk properly with customers. Suppose her superior is the leader of that task. He thought that he would talk to Sneha about it in the meeting to be held at the end of the month. As a result, Sneha kept talking with customers in the same manner the whole month, and the company lost some of its good customers. Suppose if the leader had spoken to Sneha immediately and told her what she should do to improve her work, then Sneha would have made changes and spoken to customers nicely so that the customers would come to the company and the company would have benefited. Not responding immediately. This very common mistake is made by the leader. By doing this, the leader misses the opportunity to increase the quality of work of others. If your team is doing good work, then when it comes to appreciating it, the enthusiasm in the team increases. And this increases the quality of work. Also, the loss due to taking necessary changes in work in time can also be avoided. Leaders can give this response in different ways, like talking, organizing a training to learn how to work, asking to read an article or information, showing a video related to work, etc. This strengthens the follower's trust in the leader. 2. Reserving time for the team. There can be a lot of different problems in the process from the beginning of the project to its completion. Work can get stuck in many places, and there can be disappointment in the team. There may be some hurdles in the work. And in such a time, what if the leader is not available? Employees will not understand what to do. If the decision is not taken in time, there may be loss. To avoid all these things, it is necessary for the leader to take time for himself and for the team. Leaders have their own tasks, but it is important for them to prioritize their team and their people. The leader must set a time in his own routine when he is not doing any work and is available to employees. Also, recognizing the nature of all team members while working together during different experiences and identifying the needs of the team and providing them time accordingly is a true example of a good leadership. Avoid 3. Avoid shaking off liability. Regardless of the work required by the leader, it is still important to give importance to each job and give enough time for it. Suppose that the leader could not concentrate on any project due to being busy with the rest of his work. And if his team completed that work wrongly, then the leader is equally responsible for that thing. Any excuse for not paying attention is not acceptable here. Raising your hand on the pretext of this way, avoiding responsibility is not appropriate for the leader. By keeping a balance in all work, such a thing can never happen. 4. Avoiding intimate friendship with the team. Having fun with the team. Being available to listen to anything and clearing doubts. All these things are helpful to the leader. Yet, sometimes the leader has to take some drastic decisions, which may be about a member. At such times, close relationships can create obstacles in making the right decision. This does not mean not make good relations with the team. There should be friendly relations, but there should also be a limit so that no one will have the feeling of being kept separate and a fair and just leader's image will remain. 5. Identifying the motivation of the team. Many leaders always make this mistake. They always feel the team members work only for money and salary. But many a times this does not happen. Their appreciation and recognition of their work is sometimes a source of inspiration for the team. 6. Create the ideal example for the team. Remember, there is a rule in the company not to eat at the place of work. But if the leader himself eats food on his table, the team will not follow him. Can it happen? Not at all. Likewise, following the rest of the company rules such as time, holidays, reporting time, etc., when all these leaders follow themselves, then the rest of the team also follows them. Keep in mind, if the leader himself has any negative feelings, then he should not expect the team to have positive feelings from the team. The entire team expects a lot from the leader. The team has its attention in every manner of the leader. Therefore, it is necessary for the leader to set a perfect example for the whole team. These were some of the tips that help in leadership. But moreover, the leader can prove himself. After that, a productive, just, and irreplaceable leader is not at all difficult to produce.